Welcome back to Orange Hat Reviews. Today we are not going to be discussing entertainment news. We are going to be discussing something a little bit more serious. The Amazon rainforest has been suffering from a forest fire for the last 4 days, or 5 days by the time this video will be uploaded. It has been going on without media attention. As important as the forest that supplies the Earth's, or 20% of the Earth's oxygen is, it has not been touched by the mainstream media. Nature pages and conservation pages have been asking for coverage to know that this crisis is very real. And I think that it is time to get the word out there. And I am completely condemning the mainstream media, Fox News, CNN, MSNBC, ABC, MSNBC, all of them, for refusing to cover this. Usually when mainstream media covers a tragedy, people get involved in helping stop this tragedy, or whatever tragedy arises. Yet nothing has been done. The press has not got involved. And hopefully by the time this video is uploaded tomorrow, which I believe will be it's Thursday, so I believe it will be the 22nd of August. Hopefully it will change. Because if it doesn't, it just simply shows that our nation's attention is focused on too much on politics and not enough on real world events. Anyway, that's the video. I'm not going to do the normal outro because that's inappropriate in this case. You all know the drill. This has been Orange Hat Reviews. Make sure that you spread this video wide. I am actually asking for you to share this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.